As e-commerce volume increases, so does the urgency for more convenient and cost-effective shipping. Companies are developing drone delivery systems, hoping for them to automate the process and cut expenses. But they have encountered criticism about their safety, noise, and privacy. Let's listen to customer complaints about the current state of delivery.
It's ridiculous. The shipping is twice the price of the item.
Those drones sound like my neighbor using a chainsaw. The constant whizzing noise is giving me headaches and distressing my pets.
It took 2 hours to get my pizza. And it's missing 2 slices.
Mom, there's a weird buzzing noise outside the bathroom window.
The Drones on Track system addresses all these complaints and more. It consists of a network of tracks, which are supported by 20-foot tall poles spaced 100 feet apart. This example track has 2 rails, an upper one for security and emergency services, and a lower one for delivery. Drones use a T-shaped attachment to connect to the rail. By doing so, the drone can rest its entire weight on the tracks, substantially reducing energy usage. Cameras aren't needed in order to travel the tracks. Instead of propellers, connected drones can use the attachment's motorized wheels to move. This would eliminate complaints about loud buzzing that traditional drone systems suffer from. The tracks are electrified, able to provide power to the attachment and charge up the drone's battery, making deliveries more efficient as battery charging downtime is eliminated. The combination of the attachment and rail makes accidental separation almost impossible. A drone disengages the track by flying upwards, rotating until it aligns with the track's opening, and flying straight down through the opening. Besides straight rail sections, the tracks also have intersection blocks. These allow drones to turn corners and travel in different directions. Short rail sections coupled with these blocks can allow owners to run delivery services directly from inside their stores. Our system is most effective at last-mile delivery. It offers customers various delivery options. Sidewalk pickup allows you to get your package directly from the drone. Just order, wait at a designated rail, and use an app to get the drone to lower the package. If you're not going to be home, you may want to use the locker pickup option. Receive alerts when your package has arrived at a locker. You can pick it up at your leisure or get a rover to deliver it. With courier service, packages can be delivered to your door. Ideally, the couriers service their own neighborhoods, so rather than a stranger at your door, it's your neighbor delivering your packages. Returns are even simpler. Use the app to start a return, order a return box if needed. Place items in the box and drop it off at a locker location. Get your credit back instantly. Let's compare 3 competitive methods of delivery: by truck or van, by unconstrained drone, and by our track system. We researched important factors such as safety, speed, and environmental friendliness. Conventional delivery overall scores poorly except for safety, noise, and package weight. Unconstrained drones score poorly except for speed and scheduling. The Drones on Track system scores well in all categories. With all these advantages, you would think it would cost more. Let's calculate the costs for this system. To do so, we'll have the following assumptions. Each person orders 5 deliveries per month. A drone costs $200. A pole with rails costs $2,000. A delivery takes 20 minutes on average. Drones only operate for 8 hours a day. And these are the following fees and loan terms. Based on these assumptions, we've determined the cost of delivery for some of the largest cities in the country. The costs range from 37 to 58 cents, much lower than what is currently available. What if people order less per month? How would the delivery cost change? This chart shows what happens if the delivery volume ranges from 3 to 7. The result is a cost variation of just 8 cents. Making this a very viable system even when we have a lower delivery volume. E-commerce and delivery service companies stand to benefit the most from our system. This is also a great investment opportunity for a SPAC fund. Transform your business by offering a low-cost and highly convenient delivery service. Even if you are not directly interested, we are offering a generous referral reward. You can earn $500,000 from simply sharing our system with others. It's easy, sign up at our website, share your referral link, earn money when a licensee signs with us. Licenses are being offered for each of the major U.S. cities. Each license gives exclusive coverage of metropolitan areas. Contact us by email or by our website.